let's see how to log into iPad if forgot passcode. In the first step, tap on Settings. Later, navigate to Face ID and Passcode. Then try entering a passcode multiple times until an option appears. In the next step, tap on Erase iPad when shown. Later, confirm the selection to continue. Then allow the process to finish. In the next step, link the iPad to a computer. Next, launch Fender or iTunes depending on the system. Now, find and click on your iPad. In the next step, select Restore iPad when asked. Then confirm to proceed further. After that, let the device complete the task. In the next step, follow the displayed instructions. Now, choose your settings as needed. Next, log in with your Apple ID. You are good to go.